If your Windows 11 language or keyboard language is wrong and your laptop is typing a different language and you are not able to fix it, this video is for you. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK, and let's go ahead and fix the language problem for Windows 11 as well as specifically for the keyboard. In the first step, let's go ahead and change or update the Windows display language. This controls the language setting for settings, menu, and system text. If I go to settings and then time and language, then let's go to language and region. I will get the language that is currently set up or installed in my computer by default, and I have only English United States here. If my language is not listed here, I could go ahead and click on Add Language. Here, just go ahead and search for your required language. Let me search for the language, and I want German language to be installed in my computer. I selected this and click on Next. That's fine. Click on Install. Now this will take few minutes to install this language on my laptop depending on my internet speed. Once your required language installs successfully, and after selecting the new display language, Windows might ask you to sign out and sign in again to your computer so that changes could be applied. Once the computer restarted, I could see here two languages. The top one is German language, which we just have installed, and the second one is English United States. Now here, most people get confused while selecting the keyboard language. So I also want you to be clear about keyboard language option. Just go ahead and click on More Keyboard Settings. This will take you to the same menu. Go ahead and click on three dots in front of your required language and then go to language option. Again, scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see that German keyboard is added to my new language. If in any case it's not added, I will not be getting my required language while typing in the keyboard. So let me show you how to add additional keyboard. Here, if I click on the keyboard, I will get more keyboard language options here. I could go ahead and select any one of them. If needed, I could remove the current keyboard option from here as well. Now let's close it, and if you want to switch between the languages and the keyboard, you could just go to this menu and change the keyboards. Also, if you press Windows key plus space bar, this will also give you a shortcut option to get change your language. I am pressing Windows key plus space button on my keyboard and it's changing the language. And also in the settings, if you click on this drop down, you will see the other language we have added here. If I want to select this language as my Windows display language, I will click on it and this will ask me to sign out and sign in again to my laptop. That's how you change Windows language, keyboard language, and language option in Windows 11. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more Windows tips, and I will see you in the next one.